Hi there. So we're back to the second part of the Weebly introduction. So I'm just going to sign up here. I'm not using any of these up here, which is social media, Google Plus and Facebook. So I'm going to click on the sign up button. So the sign up button, when I click on that, it will bring me into the next stage of the Weebly introduction process, setting up your Weebly account. Okay, so this is quite important here. Well, if it isn't, you can change it. So it's not really important, I suppose, at the beginning, but you can change. If you don't want to change it, that's quite important now, but you can change it later on. So in a sense, it isn't important, but at the same time, basically, I would just put on personal, then click on continue. That's the name of my site, so I can put in there, if I wanted to, some marketing portfolio. Remember, this is for the website component of the assignment, to create a website and a blog and the 5 pages, and you can expand on that. So this is going to be basically your digital marketing portfolio. Okay, so I'm just going to click on continue there, and now we can choose a theme for our website. So I'm just going to choose this one here. Click on this one, and that one will basically give me a preview of the theme, which is the part we're going to be looking at, depending on the speed of your computer, but also depending on whether people are using Weebly at the moment, how many people are using it. Will take some time for the themes to upload, because a lot of these are very heavily image intense screens. Okay, so wait for it to load. It will give you a preview. So up here it'll have theme preview. You can close it down there. You can start editing if you want to actually work with it, but it will basically give you a preview of what it looks like, and it can be quite, very professional. And remember, you can change all these images and the text that's there. A lot of this, obviously, the text as you can see here is all in Latin. That's the Lorem Ipsum Latin text. You can change that yourself and change all of this as you wish to do so, and along with images. So I'm just going to say start editing here. It will then roll into the next stage, which will bring you to the actual dashboard for actually building the pages. Wait for it to load. It will load. It'll take some time to load. When it loads, it'll load everything together. Everything is basically down the left-hand side here in this black area here. All the various buttons will load there. And at the top here, you also have the main navigation bar. And over here, you use either for the upgrades scenario, and that's for the paying for it, and then you publish it. And you publish it when you want people to see it. Until you click on the publishing button, nothing will happen. Okay. Now, here are the build pages here. So these are the buttons basically to change your pages here. Obviously, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. That's indicative of this theme. Other themes will have maybe a hamburger sort of icon, which was invented by Facebook, which we have those 3 lines, and you click on it and it drops on a menu. And then over here, I'll click on the pages and it'll tell me the pages. Now I can reorder those pages accordingly. So if you look over here, these 2 here, I'm going to change my work to be in front of home. So I'm just going to drag this above it, and it will automatically change on the screen. There we go. Of course, that is the page for my work. When I go to the home page, it'll be what we saw initially. When we click on that, it will be the page that we saw before. So each page is different as we go through this. That's the About page. Just wait for it to load. And that's what it will look like. And then when I go into the Contact Us page, that's what that will look like. Okay. So I'm going to change that back up here. And I'll go back to the theme page here. This will be basically where you can come down here. So you can click on the themes here and then come down to here. We'll have the theme pages will come up. Remember, we chose this one here. And as I said to you, you can change these through here as well. So any of these other things they'll give you a lot of other design themes throughout as well, so you can scroll up and down and choose the theme that you want. Okay. Now I'm just going to basically come out of that, go back into here. As you can see, it's the digital marketing portfolio here. And in the next video, I'm just going to show you how to actually use this part here, which is the main navigation area and the drag and drop features.